nature. What he bright would engage her. She can read from his mind to the lines of the paper.